Every Tesla starts as a simple idea, but turning that idea into world's most advanced electric cars requires thousands of engineers, robots, and years of innovation. The journey begins in the design studio. Designers create hundreds of sketches, exploring shapes that maximize beauty, aerodynamics, and efficiency. Promising concepts become full-scale clay models. Teams carefully shape every curve to reduce drag and improve vehicle performance. Once the design is approved, engineers build detailed 3D digital models containing millions of individual components. Advanced simulations test airflow around the vehicle. Even tiny design changes can increase driving range by reducing air resistance. Before a single part is manufactured, Tesla performs thousands of virtual crash tests to ensure maximum safety. Engineers then build prototypes. These early vehicles help validate design assumptions and uncover hidden problems. Prototypes face extreme conditions, from freezing temperatures to prove reliability. Production moves to Tesla's gigafactories, some of the largest. Production starts with huge rolls of steel and aluminum. These raw materials form the vehicle's structural foundation. High-pressure stamping machines shape metal sheets into doors, roofs, fenders, and other body components. It creates enormous vehicle sections in a single. Thousands of robots precisely weld and assemble the frame, achieving consistency impossible through manual work alone. Robots work around the clock with incredible accuracy. Painting multiple layers protect the metal while creating a flawless finish. Meanwhile, Tesla produces battery cells, the heart of every electric vehicle. Engineers integrate cooling systems, electronics, and safety features. Tesla's electric motors are assembled with extreme precision, delivering instant torque and remarkable efficiency. The battery pack, motors, electronics, and body unite into a complete vehicle. Interior systems, software, seats, displays, cameras, and sensors. Tesla's software is loaded and tested. Every vehicle passes extensive inspections, ensuring each component meets Tesla's strict quality standards. After years of design, testing, engineering, and manufacturing, a Tesla finally leaves the factory, ready to redefine the future of transportation.